Hey y'all, I'm Sparkle. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful bouncy shiny curls. Make sure you keep watching if you want to see how. So I started on freshly washed hair, and I went ahead and did my back left section just because it had been quite some time since I used rods and I needed to make sure that I still had it. But after I washed, I used the Main Choice 3-in-1 conditioner as my leave-in and Keracare's buttercream as my sealant. See, I don't know what I'm doing. I could not get that camera to focus, but I will put all of the products in my description box. And for each individual curl, I use the Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. And as you can see, to rod, you kind of secure your hair around the end of the rod, and then you wrap your wrist almost like you're turning double dutch. I really feel like saying flick your wrist. It's the flick of the wrist. But you can see that mousse in action. See my texture starting to pop through when I apply the mousse. I might try a wash and go with it one day. I'm just not sure if I'm that brave. But anyway, I use my Denman to detangle because I want to make sure the hair goes around the roller smooth. And then you secure your hair around the end of the rod. Roll just a little bit, and then you start wrapping. That's how you get that true corkscrew curl. One more time. Secure the rod and wrap. We can speed it up a little bit. I ended up using those smaller white rods in the front because I knew I was going to have them in for a while and I didn't want them hanging down in my face. But after I get all my rods in, I'm going to sit under the dryer for about an hour and then I'll air dry overnight. Look who's been stalking me the whole time. Hey Zoe girl. There is no special sauce for takedown. I just unhook the rod, pull from the bottom of the curl and let it slide out. I don't try to unwind it. I don't try to pull it from the top because you will completely mess up the curl. You just unhook the rod and let it slide out. That's it. I always use an oil when it's time to take down my styles or separate my curls. It keeps me from having frizz before I even get to rock my hair. Today I use the N Only Argan Oil, and I'll put it in the description box because I couldn't get it to focus. When I separate my curls, I do about 2 to 3 sections per curl, and I kind of wind my finger at the end just in the direction of the curl so that it keeps its shape. The more you separate, the more volume you're going to have, but I really wanted my style to last me for a full week, so I kind of kept the separation at minimum. Time to pick. Pick. The more you pick, the bigger it gets. If you're a natural with no pick, you need to go get you a few. But I definitely like to lift my roots, and then if I have any parts, I make sure I pick to cover my parts. I didn't have that issue today, but I did want to make sure I lifted my roots for extra volume. And then you can see the front of my hair where I had placed those white rods. I didn't, it actually has like a tighter curl, I guess, in a more of a corkscrew pattern. You can really see it with those. It kind of gave me like a little bang, and I don't even really have bangs cut in the front of my hair, so I thought it was kind of cute. I liked how it framed my face. But if I ever did this style again, I would do like the same shape all over and just have to suck it up with the big rollers in my face. But it worked for today. And then if you still don't feel like your hair is big enough after you've picked it, you can go back through and separate some more. And that's the final look, y'all. And check me out. No, really, do you love it? Leave me a comment letting me know whether or not you like this style. If you have a style that you would like to see me do or a product that you want me to review, let me know about that too. Otherwise, I am done talking y'all to death. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and Follow me over on Instagram. Bye.
That's funny.
It's mine today.
Huh?
It's mine today.
Okay.
I don't know. This isn't my thing.
Hello. Shoes are too little.
It's too little.
They keep doing like this. One.